Greetings, River Lady here, and welcome to the season premiere, the season 3 premiere episode of Astilbe Rescue. It's the beginning of April. We've had some cold nights. I've kept the Astilbe covered, but now it's time to unveil it and see if it came back for another year. You may remember this Astilbe looked like this when I first got it at Lowe's, and we had a good year last year. We had some blooms, so let's see if it came back. OMG, look at all of these new fronds coming up. Just so beautiful. Look at that. Welcome back, little Astilbe. You weren't dead at all. Okay, so now my job is to cut off these seed stems. Let me go get my pruners. I will be right back. You may ask, why did I leave the stems with the seeds on the plant during the winter? And that was for the birds. The birds love to glean the seeds, and they add some interest to my winter garden. So it's a happy thing to do, I guess. I don't know. I'm running out of things to say. But anyway, those are off. They'll go in the bucket right there. And my little Astilbe is ready to rock and roll. If I look at my tag, I fed it Job's plant food in May of 2021. So I'm not going to go ahead and feed it right now. It's still a little early to feed it, but I am going to give it a little bit of compost. I will be right back. If you follow my videos, you know that I use a mushroom compost, and all I do is just take it and work it in around the plant. This is a good day to do this because it is going to rain tonight, so that will get the nutrients from the compost to filter through the dirt. And I'm also going to add a little near the daffodils to give them some nourishment. All right, that's it for me. Thank you for watching the season premiere of the season 3 premiere episode of Astilbe Rescue. And I will see you in the next video, and happy gardening. This is River Lady saying bye.